Vision boards are a collage of photos and affirmations. And what they are is they're kind of like a visual motivator and inspiration for you to obtain your goals or your dreams. And the collages of photos and the affirmations are things that you want for your future, a dream or a goal. And the thing with a vision board is you need to look at it and focus on it daily. Yeah, you can go ahead and you make a vision board, you put it up, you look at it, you bypass it, eventually it turns into wallpaper. Been there, done that. But you really need to stop, look at it, and focus on it. And the more you do it, the more it hits the subconscious mind. So when the opportunity shows up for your dream or goal, you'll be more apt to see that opportunity. Because sometimes opportunities pop up and you don't see it. The opportunity comes and the opportunity goes. So if you get your subconscious in sync with your dreams and goals, you're more apt to obtain your dreams and goals. So, and types of dreams and goals some people do is career, money, love, health, travel, and social goals. And sometimes you have personal goals that aren't even part of that. So, how to make a vision board. Let's see if I can get this in front of you. I made one this week. And the supplies that you need is the board itself. You can use anything for a board. You can use cork board, bulletin board, you can use cardboard, poster board, you can even do a digital board if you prefer. The only thing with a digital board is it's harder to move those goals off once you've obtained them. But one of the digital boards, you could probably make a digital board on Canva. And they got a lot of pictures to choose from there too, and you can create your own little things, affirmations and stuff on it. And then the pictures for the board. Magazines, photos, you can print from your computer, you can Photoshop pictures. And the one thing with the Photoshop is, let's say you want to go on a trip somewhere, a destination trip. You find a picture of that destination trip. Photoshop yourself into that as if you've already obtained it. Same with a career or a job. You Photoshop yourself into that as if you've already got that job or that extra money or that boat or that car or whatever it is that is your dream and goal. So that will actually amplify your vision board if you can Photoshop yourself actually achieving it. You can put a blank check on there. Print out a blank check and put the amount that you want and pay and have it paid to you. Because that's what I got here. I got a check here. And there are sites out there where you can find these fake checks, practice type checks and stuff. One of them that I found was evelynlim.com/download your-free-abundance-check-here / I will post this link, so if you want to do that. And basically, this check says it's from the Bank of Universe. So, bank from a higher source to help you obtain that income that you want. You can do it as write it as like what you want for a weekly check or what you want for a monthly income, so on and so forth. And but this I made out of cardboard, and I put material around it. And when you do it out of cardboard, you can, like I said, material. You can paint it and whatever, and you'll need thumbtacks or tape, scotch tape. And if you're really hurting, you don't have thumbtacks or tape laying around, but you got staples, you can always do staples. I recommend the thumbtacks, push pins, and the tape. And one thing that might that I had an idea when I was doing this that might help a vision board work for you too is get a small mirror to put on it, or even use a mirror for your vision board. If you've got a big mirror, put tape your pictures and your affirmations all the way around your mirror. You can do that. But there are a variety of ways, and when you do a cardboard, you can either punch holes at the top and put a string on it, or you can get those Velcro wall hanging things that you can put on the back and attach it to the wall. So this is just a little bit of what mine is. There's a lot more dreams and goals, but I kind of ran out of the magazines and I haven't had a chance to get any. And I've been doing a lot of printing lately, so I'm kind of watching my ink. But these are some of them. Some of them it's like I want to go horseback riding again. I want to go to like Hawaii, whale watching, go on a cruise, go somewhere for a spa, go and visit waterfalls that I haven't visited before. And some of the affirmations is I am abundant, to help bring in that abundance. I will succeed, and I put the I will succeed in the center so that it will kind of amplify everything around it. I will succeed with these dreams. And I eventually want to be a VIP affiliate with my Pretty Light business, and I want to have a successful membership, which I plan on starting here in the future. So you can put anything on there, any dreams. No dream is too small, even if there's an appliance that you really need or really want. Cut it out of a flyer and pin it on there. I will get that washer, I'll get that dryer, or that car that you need, or a home. If you're looking for a home, a place to rent, or a place to buy, put that in there. And shoot for the stars. You don't have to put just realistic on there. Something that a dream or goal that may take time. But vision boards do work for people. They don't work for everybody. Because like for me, when I've tried it in the past, I ended up becoming wallpaper because I allowed life to kind of interrupt. You gotta learn to stop and put life behind you and focus on what you want, what you need for yourself. And something else with these vision boards, you can create them and you can put them in your Positive Prime session if you subscribe for the Positive Prime, so that you will see that picture go through to kind of help your subconscious soak it in a little bit better without the subconscious being negative and arguing with your dream, because your subconscious will do that. Your subconscious will look for the negative before the positive, but the more you input the positive into that subconscious, the better off you are. So hopefully you've enjoyed this live and this video and vision boards. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. And if you like this, hit the like button underneath. Feel free to leave a comment. And I look forward to seeing you next month for Mindset Strategies. I wonder what the topic will be then. If you have anything in particular that you are interested in, let me know. See you then. Bye.